Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. My favorite makeup today is this. This is my Milani blush. This is in the shade Bella Bellini. So this is a blush I didn't take with me on my trip, but I get to use it now because I am back home. So right now I didn't put my backdrop back up. I'll probably get around to that in a couple of days. Just wasn't into it. Got the ring light set up. That's really the important part. And also I might just decide to leave this background up. I don't know yet. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, I was really enjoying using this blush again because I missed it. I was sick of, the other blushes I had brought with me. This is a really great blush. And now onto the video. So for today's video, we're going to be opening up my Sephora Play box. This is my March box. If you saw my February box, you'll know that I was actually out of town for it and did not get to open it. But my husband actually opened it for me, so he showed me all the products. And it turned out I had tried pretty much all of them except a jelly cleanser from First Aid. And there was like a Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb perfume, which he actually used. He really liked the way it smells. So he actually used it during the course of the month. Other than that, I did not get the opportunity to use anything, so I just looked at it today when I got home. And that's just not going to happen. So I can't do a recap of last month's box right now, but I will do it next month for April. So let's get started. So as always, you get an extra 50 bonus Beauty Insider points when you subscribe to this box. This box costs $10 and you're automatically going to get this shipped to you via Sephora in the mail. So here is the bag for this month. And it says, beauty is my spirit animal, and it's, all tie-dyed. This is actually a very cute bag. It's very soft. It's a lot softer than the other ones. Some of the cotton ones are a little scratchy feeling, more like cotton canvas. This one's just more like a soft t-shirt. So let's see what's inside. I don't know what this is. It feels very bizarre. It feels like a moist towelette packet. Oh, so this is from Amika. This is a Soul Food Nourishing mask. Oh, it's for my hair. Okay, so this is for my hair. This has gratify your hair with rich, high-potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. You know what? My hair has been a wreck on the trip that I went on in Florida, so I'm totally going to use this, and I'll let you know how it goes. So that's actually very exciting. I don't mind getting that because I'm going to use it. My hair is not quite sure about the water here now that I've come back. Okay, so this is from Korres. This is the Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser for all skin types. A rich, indulgent foaming cream that effectively removes impurities, makeup, and mascara without irritating. Alright, I'll put this in my bag and make this a travel thing. I don't think I've used this particular one, but I've used some other stuff from Korres, and I've personally found them to be fine. Nothing super exciting, but nothing bad either, so I'll give that one a go. I guess if anything's going to be perfume, it's going to be this. No! Ha! This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. Intense Black. I have not tried a Stila eyeliner in a while, so I'm not particularly familiar with this one, and I don't know if I like it or not. And I don't think I used the waterproof one even then, so I'm looking forward to trying this one out. The show I do involves having water thrown at my face, and I'm certainly willing to try the waterproof liquid eyeliner as long as it comes off later. I mean, frankly, I don't have too much trouble getting the eyeliner to stay on. It's more getting it off at the end of the night, so we'll see how this goes. So this is exciting. It's all little bottles in here. I don't know what these are. All right, what's this? Oh, this is from IGK. This is the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I actually received this already in a play box a previous month. I like it. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's nice. It makes my hair look okay. But I've already had this one, so that's a little more boring than I would have hoped for. So great. I really don't know what this is either. Let's find out. Oh, Supergoop. This is Defense Rush Setting Mist with Rosemary with a broad spectrum sunscreen of SPF 50. Matte finish 3-in-1, sets makeup, controls oil, and delivers UV photo aging protection. Okay, I'm into that. That sounds exciting. So I guess I spray this on top of all my makeup, and then it adds an extra layer of SPF. So I'm totally excited about that. That's actually great. So this I'm in for. This is the Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. This is in Bare Glow. I don't know anything about this. Oh, so this is a moisturizing balm with that energizes your tired skin with ultra-fine pearls. So I bet it's a brightening moisturizer. Okay, I'll try that. Apparently you're supposed to put this on your clean, dry skin before you put on your makeup. So this would take the place of my regular moisturizer. So I will try that out, and I guess it's going to make me look illuminated. So I'm not mad about that at all. Overall, all the stuff in the box, I'm not upset about it. The Mistress just disappoints me because I've previously received that, so you'd think that they wouldn't send me the same thing twice. Oh well. But I do like the product, and I'm almost out of the sample I had anyway, so it's not like I won't use it. It's just, I like to try new things. New things are fun. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. If you've got a suggestion for a video you'd like to see me do, please put that in the comments down below. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all soon. Bye!